Good evening, all. Do you want one more blood? We will change the kingdom now. Right? So, today I want to share a case of SLV with infertility, secondary infertility. So, a 33-year-old female came to us with a history of 2 abortions. So, then she got investigated and diagnosed to have SLE. Then they were immediately started with steroids, and she came as this SLE. We can continue next slide. As it was SLE, chances for fertility are less. So she came for Homeo. As with SLE, you have to use steroids, HCQs, folic acid, etc., etc. So she came for Homeo. So she narrated her complaints as menses getting early since 2 to 3 months, since 20 days, and left parieto-temporal headache, mainly interphalangeal joints and sole heel pains. There is stress headache due to competitive exam preparation. As usually, local people will say, with steroids, chances of fertility are less. She came to me, likewise she said. And she had other complaints like history of asthma in her childhood and dust allergy, which was used to be there, decreased after marriage. Next slide, ma'am. Headache used to be heavy, aggravated at night, and talking. Vertigo since 2011. Since 3 years it was increased. That was a dull feeling through the corners when she is passing through corners, or ascending and descending stairs, or doing pradakshina of temple, or watching a swinging cradle, etc. And she had heavy cold in winters, used to get dust allergy, sneezings, and post, etc. And she can't bear fanning, and also can't bear without excess heat also. And there is allergy of skin since 2 years. History of fungal infection 1 year ago, used treatment for 2 months. And she says, I was obstinate for my needs as a kid, and during childhood I had frequent fevers, and I used to be given penicillin injection. Previously, whatever obstinate fevers, they used to give penicillin injection, and she was given monthly injections from 4th to 7th class of her days. And history of high-grade fevers and seizures with fever. And there used to be episodes of seizures with fever up to 10th class. This was her past history, and she narrated that she had weakness and leg pains since childhood. Next slide. So further she narrated, because of SLE I can't have kids. And husband likes to have kids much. And her history, family history of mother had 2 abortions, and husband side also have her sisters and her mother-in-law all have abortions history. But in-law side what they say is, we have no history of it, and this was the one you are suffering with it. Likewise, they are poking her. That was that made her felt bad. And what's in it? What's the worry in it? When she was asked, she says, having no children, everyone will poke me that I am infertile, and with children we have future support. What it is we don't know. After further trying a little with the sensation method, I got financial need is the essence. As since childhood their parents were very much poor, and she now is trying very much desperately for competitive exams to get job. And that was what I have got, and the remaining I worked out with mathematical method. And further she narrated, being a girl child, they should, that means their parents should give money and things, etc. But even after marriage, they haven't come once. I only will go to them, that too monthly, to see them. They can't see me like what the bride expects from the mother's side. Why? Because it used to be a respect in-law said, because I have brought this much wealth from my family, that needs to be respected. So that's what her feeling is. Next slide. Likes oranges, sour, amla, etc. Easy fatigue and sweats on face and neck, and ways to least sound, and fear of thunderstorms near water near beach, and likes to have watching thriller movies, and dislikes horror movies or serials, and likes to solve puzzles, and likes to read book from backside. That was a typical thing. And no stability while reading, and doesn't like to read in a regular pattern. That means she will start one chapter in the thread, and afterwards, after some exhaustion or fatigue or lack of concentration, she will start from backside or something like that. So that's the typical. And likes to play more with friends and kids, etc. And had bus sickness. Next slide. So my analysis is, already I have got financial support is the need, and row 4 column 2 understanding I got, but I couldn't analyze the animal part, and that animal part I got it with mathematical understanding. Like since history, it was frequent fevers, and she used to be lean, weak, leg pains, frequent fevers, asthmatic attacks, and fear of thunderstorms, and difficulty in concentration and stress headaches. By that understanding, I got to an understanding of calcaria fast. Next slide. These are the rubrics for it. In Murphy repertory, clinical lupus erythematosus, and pregnancy, miscarriage, spontaneous abortion tendency to, and complete repertory, extremities pain, heels, head pain, headache, left, mind, confidence, want of self, mind, dreams, journey, traveling, psychological themes, work, productivity, money, social status, anxiety about health, occupation, diversion, amelioration, concentration, difficult, headache, talking, aggravation, and home, go, desire to go out when they. So this was what the rubrics I took. Next. So this was the analysis part, rubric repertory chart. There we got calcaria in the first place, then phosphorus in the fifth place, and then calcaria somewhat further. But with my understanding, with a little understanding what I learned from Swara and my mathematical understanding, I come to an understanding of calcaria first. Next. So this was my first prescription on October 2nd. What was the time? 1 2 minutes. Okay. So October 2nd, calcaria first 201 dose was given, and then I repeated after 14 days, and she got history of loose motions, induced allopathy after 1 month, and then after 1.5 months she got knee pains decreased, headache decreased, so I given placebo only. Afterwards she got pityriasis alba, that was lesser in comparison to what she was suffering according to the levels of suppression. So I thought give her placebo only, and then afterwards she got fever. I didn't change any medicine, she used allopathy, and with that also her headaches are decreased, heel pain is decreased, ankle pains are decreased, and the water pityriasis alba is also decreased. And in February 22, I asked her to decrease the steroids, which she was using 10 mg around Homeopathy 10 mg, and asked her to reduce by half tablet 5 mg, and HCQ to continue. Menses are getting regular now. And in March she had sharp pains under soles and etc. etc. That I understood why, because I have decreased the steroids. So it used to be okay, and then repeated the dose. Next one. In April, I advised further to reduce HCQs also to half tablet. Hair fall is there. I persisted with giving placebo. And then after 6 months, she asked me to have, can I have tests? And I also advised to have tests, but there is no result. SLE, whatever it is same. So I rechecked the case, reanalyzed, retook the case, and I confirmed that it is same. So I given 1M then afterwards, and decreased omnocotral further to 2.5 mg. Right? Afterwards, December I have repeated, and in February 2023, recently, she got me the good news of conception. Right? and she had usually last 2 abortions. What she had is asthmatic attacks. So now I prescribed tuberculum because of the basic past history and constitutional understanding. I gave tuberculum 200, and her results gynecologist tested to be ANU negative and antis with DNA and DS DNA are negative. Right, you can have the reports. So that was the